Like right here, I'm not comfortable with using the bottom of this channel. I'm more comfortable with using the top. But why does that matter? Because this is a huge different range. The level of resistance to the upside is greater than it is to break through to here. Because if it breaks through this level, this is going to be the next major stop. I'd rather it broke through the key top area and then we got clear skies versus it breaks through the bottom and now we've got to fight it again and this is our range. So do you see how I'm quickly identifying, knowing that area, and I'm able to process that information? And I want you guys to be that good, that fast, and get it. So Tesla to the upside is going to be above 245. Tesla to the upside above 245. Now listen, time frame matters too. If this was closer to 9:30, I could get you guys a more accurate to the penny. But since I am doing this 45 minutes before the bell, there is 45 minutes of movement before we even get to where we start for the day. But the reason that I do this so early is it gives you prep time. It gives you guys an opportunity to review and you guys can look at it. Because if I did this every day at 9:15, it'd be a hell of a lot closer and more accurate than if I'm doing it 45 minutes prior, right? 451.63 to the upside. And right here, 449.69 to the downside. So on your charts, it will look like this: green up, red down. Then you'll know upside, downside. Gold lines are always the biggest critical levels that are out there. So if it's touched it a ton of times, whether it was on your daily, 4-hour, weekly, or previous couple of days, that's what the gold levels are for. You guys all know that if you're VIP members, and I know I've discussed it several times in the last year with everybody else. It's just we've been rehashing it in VIP. Okay, Netflix upside. 440.50, above 440.50. See how this one's a little bit easier? You guys can see critical levels here, 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 and here. Downside, 436.26. Apple above 188 or below 187.41. So I know we're doing a lot of training, but when I had all that time off, trying to get all that information out, it's just been freaking out. Google 136.82 upside, right there, one or below 136 downside. So 136.82 upside, 136 downside. Amazon. Now right here, tricky. See all this? I'd rather be right here and be safe. I'd rather be up here, one above 138 for Amazon upside. Just like this. This one's a little tougher, but I like it off of here, 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 here. So below will be 137.25. All right, Meta. Same thing here. You can see how many times it's here, 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 here. Look at all this traffic, all this. So 296.50. Right, that's a big level. You guys can see it plain as day, hopefully, right? You guys can see that? You can open your mics when I ask a question, yes? All right, thank you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Teacher's back. You guys are all right. Everybody.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Nobody's going to slap you with a ruler, I promise. The downside on Meta is 294.87. Now, I could have went 87 or 47, right? And again, we've got 30 minutes. So if it breaks this 87, you guys already know to be watching down here at 294.50, right? Because we have so much time still. You have 30 minutes before the bell. That's why some of these will break before the bell, even happens. I'm just telling you guys why. NVIDIA, 483.50 to the upside, 479.10 to the downside. Now this one right here, same thing. It's actually 480.26, right? So you could do an early entry here, but since we've got a half an hour, most likely this is going to break through here. So we want to look at this area. But do you guys see why that is happening? Why I have to do what I do? There's
Yep.
just so much time left. You know what I mean? Before the bell.
Yes, sir.
So that's why some of these numbers can be a little skewed. So right here, Mara, I'm more comfortable up here at 1206, which is going to get us past, like, look at all these little ranges. Here, 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 here. this, here, and here. See all that? 1206. Downside. Now, right here, I could say downside is all the way on the bottom. This would be an easy mark. I think we can get in earlier, but if it was closer to the bell, it would be here. You see this? If this was closer to the bell, that would be an easy call for around 1188. But we have so much time. That means I've got to go below it to get us a little safer. So 1181. So Mara upside 1206, downside 1181. Q's to the upside right here, 377.79. Or see, like this one, I want to get in early, and I'm going to right here. Bang. Or below 376.11.